Hello everyone. In this video we are going to start desktop publishing. We all know what is the meaning of publish. When we print documents and images together, we call it published, that they are published. There are many softwares that we use for desktop publishing documents, for making them, where we combine and rearrange the text and the images. You can take example of magazines in your home. In your magazines, there are images, there are text, and you rearrange them so that you can print it. Yes? So, for rearranging them, for combining them, we have desktop publishing softwares like Adobe InDesign, Adobe PageMaker, Microsoft Publisher, Corel Ventura are desktop publishing software. Here you can combine the text, the images, the data, charts, and print it. For that, what do we need? We need a computer where we are having the software, right? We need monitor, printer, the whole system, right? What is the advantage of desktop publishing is low cost, ease of use, and less time. So what is desktop publishing? It is a process of using the computer and the software in it to combine, where we combine and we rearrange the text, images, tables, charts, all these things to produce properly formatted document that we can print and distribute to the people. So that is desktop publishing. So it has opened visual communication to everyone, even the non-designers. For example, as a teacher, I use desktop publishing softwares. For example, I use Canva, where I join everything, the text, the images, the frames, the videos, graphics, all the things to make my material more soothing to the eyes. I can make it in the normal Word software also, but I try to make it on Canva. Why? Because it is more easy to read. It increases the curiosity of the people rather than a normal text. So even the non-designers are nowadays using the desktop publishing softwares. And it is not generally for printing only. आजकल तो शादी के कार्ड भी we are sending on the WhatsApp, right? So we are combining the text and the graphics to send electronically, whether we want to send the PDF, the slideshows, the email, newsletter, ebooks, websites, all are the electronic distribution where we combine the text and the graphics using the desktop publishing softwares. So there are different kind of software in desktop publishing. One is that is for page layout, putting the margins, all these things. Web design software are also there that are used to design the websites. These are the different name of the softwares. You can just go through it. For example, for Adobe, if I'll talk, for designing, for printing, we use Adobe InDesign. For graphics, we use Adobe Illustrator. For photo editing, we use Adobe Photoshop. For web designing, we use Adobe Dreamweaver. So you can just go through these names. These are all desktop publishing softwares. Now, what is the difference between the normal word processing softwares like Microsoft Word or Notepad versus the desktop publishing applications? So what is the difference between them? Here we generally work on the text, and here we combine the text and the graphics. Here we create the simple documents. Here we do not put much graphic content, but in desktop publishing software we focus on the design. Using word processing software, we create the normal letters, resumes, memos, and using desktop publishing, we can create newsletters, magazines, advertisement, brochures, all these things. They both be used to format the text. Both can work with the tables and picture. Both have many features that are common. But this is the difference between them, between the word processing software and desktop publishing. Basically, the word processing software like Microsoft Word is used to edit or create or format the text only. In desktop, we can combine the graphics also. We focus on designing. For example, you can see the magazines in your home, you can see the newspapers in your home. So earlier what used to happen was, for example, for creating the newspaper, first we print the text, then we print the graphics, then we cut the graphics, put where we want to put it, then we used to photocopy it and create the newspaper like that. But now using the desktop publishing softwares, we can do it in one go. So now we'll meet in the next class. We will go through some more concept. Thank you, and do revise what we studied in the video.